Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and plan out and cash stuff my second paycheck of February. So pretty excited for that. We had a super exciting paycheck last time, and so I'm excited to show you guys what's going to happen with the aftermath of that, because I honestly don't really know either. So we're going to figure this out together. So let's go ahead and first budget it out, and then we'll move over to cash stuffing once we're done with this. So my second paycheck of this month is $1,750.25. So that's going to be the same down here. Okay, and then we are immediately jumping over into bills. So first is Spotify, which is $15.99. Actually, that increase is $16.99. I'm not used to that increase yet. Next one is iPostal One, which is $9.99. Bank fee is going to be $6. Adobe Lightroom is $4.99. Rent is $300. Storage is $86. Gym is $27.18. Crunchyroll is $9.99. Adobe Creative Cloud is $15.99. And then we have Xbox, which is going to be $6. And then Amazon Prime is getting $10, and then Buffer will be $30. So all of that added together is $523.13. And then we're going to subtract that from the $1,750, and our leftover from that is $1,227.12. Next, we're going to jump over to debt payments. So the only one for this paycheck that will be getting anything will be my Discover card, and that will be getting $472.12. So then next we have our savings categories. So emergency will be getting $60. Travel is getting $30. Health is getting $150. And wellness is getting $50. And then the rest of the sinking funds will be getting a total of $155. So that brings this total to $445. And then left over from that is $310. The last category is our everyday expenses. So first is groceries. That is getting $150. Gas is getting $60. Yes, that's right. Eating out is getting $40. Miscellaneous is getting $10. Fun is getting $10. Drinks is getting $10. And then date night is getting $30. So that brings the total to over here to $310, and then this makes this a zero-based budget. So then this last section down here is actually kind of to bring it all together, so you have a nice little overview. So income, $1,750.25. After that is the total for bills, so $523.13. Next we have our Discover. So that was $472.12. Then we have $310 for savings. And then last will be we have $445 for savings. And then $310 for everyday expenses, leaving us with $0. So good setup. I mean, it's my pretty typical setup, guys. I've been trying to figure out how to make this more like fun, but honestly, these numbers haven't changed in the last 2 months. And that's because of my annual budget plan. If you guys saw that video, I had a spreadsheet and the numbers were to stay pretty consistent for a good amount of time. So, yeah, these numbers really aren't changing too much. I will say that next paycheck, though, I will be paying off one of my credit cards. It wasn't a credit card I was too worried about, but I just kind of got tired of looking at it. So that'll be exciting, so stay tuned for that. But yes, if you guys are enjoying this so far, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. And we are going to jump over into cash budgeting. All right, so here is the money pulled from the bank. We're going to go ahead and count this up. I actually forgot to put the slip back in there. So this should be $511. So we have 51, 50, 70, 90, 210, 30, 50, 70, 90, 310, 30, 50, 360, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 485, 90, 95, 500, 510, or 505, 10, 11. Okay, that was a little messy, but it's fine. We're fine. You guys, I have this $20 or $40 right next to me. I don't know where it came from. It was just kind of on the couch next to me, and I don't know where this came from. But all my stuff is on the couch next to me. I don't know where this came from. I don't know. In case you guys forgot, I do have this new Moterm wallet that is blue and beautiful and everything, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. So first, let's do some unstuffing. So groceries has nothing. Gas has 40. Eating out is empty. Pretty sure most of these don't have anything left. Miscellaneous is empty. Fun has $11 left in it, and we're rolling that over. Cafe has nothing. Day night has nothing, and then that's just deposit. So, okay, cool. Let's fill these guys back up. So first is groceries. That is getting 150. So my boyfriend and I have been talking about how maybe groceries needs to increase because they are just so darn expensive, man. Like, we were actually over this past week by $6. Like, I haven't had a very good, like, wow, we have this much remaining in, like, a bit. So, I don't know. Groceries are just getting expensive. Gas is getting 60. So, you guys let me know what you guys are experiencing. But I feel like for two people, it is $150 a week. Like, it shouldn't get over that. But, like, it feels like it is for some reason, and I don't understand why. Eating out is getting 40. So, like, what's your guys' like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly even grocery budget? I'm curious. And for how many people? Is it for an entire family? Because I cannot imagine groceries right now with an entire family. Miscellaneous got 10. Like, that'd be insane. Like, I grew up as a family of 6. That'd be crazy to know, like, how much groceries would be. So fun is getting 10, and we're doing 10, 15, 20, and 1. I've enjoyed having this fun envelope. I'm actually saving up right now because I got into watercoloring, but I have no brushes outside of the one that came with this watercoloring kit. So I want more brushes. Cafe is getting 10. And then date night is getting 30. So that's just been the discussion of the week for me and my boyfriend when it comes to finances. You know, always having good financial discussions. It's healthy. It's nice. All right. And then we have our sinking funds. So car maintenance is completely, that should be completely emptied. Oh, that's where the $40 came from. That should not be empty. I mean, like, I did recently get some maintenance done, but it only took some of it away, not like all of it. So we had a flat tire, and so I had to get it replaced, and so they also replaced like the windshields and stuff. So we are down to $40 in there, but we are putting $40 more back in there since that is what I had left over in gas. So, and because we're done with the 100 envelope challenge, I'm no longer splitting that anymore. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep on doing like all of the leftover gas in here. Probably for now, since I don't have a designated amount that goes in here. But anyways, so car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, and 80 in it now. Pet emergency is getting 15. So pet emergency now has 100, 200, 20, 30, 45, 55, 60, 1, and 2. 262. I'm so glad that this is growing. It makes me so happy. I love having this fluff for just in case. Sora, he's our cat. He is getting 10. So Sora now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, and 3. And that's impressive because I actually just bought him a toy. And the fact that we still have 63 is exciting. That toy was like $30, and I hope he loves it, even though I don't think he's going to, so I might return it. I should have checked out their return policy. Holiday has been completely emptied. Used it for Valentine's. For Valentine's, we actually didn't do too much. I had a gift card for Red Lobster. We had $50 from his grandmother. It was just a tighter Valentine's on both sides, and so I did use what I had on Holiday to go ahead and buy him a present. So I got us tickets to go see the new Kung Fu Panda. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I'm supposed to check on that, but yeah, so completely empty on Holiday, so that is getting 10. Birthday as well has been emptied. That is getting, I'm sorry, Holiday is getting 15. And then birthday is getting 25. Those are like the two new like numbers that like I can never remember that like I decided to increase this year. So yeah. So budget, we are adding 20, which you'll see that these are low. This one's low now because I did spend some from it. So we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 6, 7, and 8. $88. Wow. So low from what I'm used to seeing. Prime is getting 10. This is so close to being budgeted for. I'm so excited. So let's see how much we have now. So 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, and it's 140. So we have $24 left to budget for this. Exciting stuff. Xbox is getting 6, which that was accidental. I accidentally put 6 down for the budget whenever I did my numbers initially, so that's okay. We will roll with it. It just got a little extra fluff. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that is definitely not anywhere close to being there yet. Hair is getting 10. We only have 10 in there because I did just get my hair cut done recently. So that goes back in there. Clothes is getting 10. So clothing now has 50, 100, 10, 20, and 30. Savings challenge. Oh my goodness, this is the big one, guys. I'm so excited for this. So from my annual plan that I had, that I shared again at the end of last year, once the 100 envelope challenge was going to be done, we were going to start saving for Japan. The goal is 5,000, I think. I think that's kind of what we decided. I did get this savings tracker from Minimalistic Budget. And so I think him and I talked about doing a total of 5,000. If you guys have ever been to Japan, let me know if that's like a good budget or not. So that means that each of these like sakura flowers would be $100 each. So I'm budgeting $100 a month towards this. And so each paycheck will have 50. Put that in there. So we have like half of one of these done. It'll be so much work, but it's gonna be so worth it. The goal is to go next year, and as long as I'm able to pay off my credit card good enough, we might be able to go. But I think we do really want to go in the springtime, and so I don't know, we might hold off until 2026 so that we can go ahead and get in the springtime, because we want to see the cherry blossoms and such. Miscellaneous is being skipped. Taxes is being skipped. Us is being skipped. Okay. So I have this 30. This is supposed to go towards the savings challenge, but I don't have one next to me. So honestly, I'm just gonna slide that one in there. you know, just a little extra fluff, you know, never hurts anyone. There we go. What a great first step towards, we could have almost had one sakura leaf done, or flower done. But yeah, that is the exciting thing that I cannot wait, and that we are now going to start stuffing. I mean, we had a lot of extra fluff that we kept on putting towards the 100 envelope challenge and did get that done in a year. I don't know if we can go that aggressive. I don't think my budget will allow it because of how much tighter I made it this year. We were already starting to slow down with the 100 envelope challenge, like at the beginning of this year, just simply because of the fact that I made my budget that much tighter to go ahead and pay down debt. So I don't know, we'll see where we're going in this next year with that, but I'm excited to at least get started on it because it makes it feel that much realer. Like, I'm very excited about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!